Hello, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to repair a tear in the side of your toenail using hard gel and how to create this beautiful look using gel polish and a little bit of nail art supplies, so stay tuned. Welcome to the Meticulous Manicurist Nail Tutorials. I'm Lori Halloway, Master Nail Technician, salon owner, and author of Sheer Savvy, Secrets and Strategies for Successful Salon Apprenticeships. I'm setting a new standard in nail education utilizing real life, real situations for real learning. My tutorials provide explicit instruction for a thorough understanding of theory and technique. Join me by subscribing today to learn everything you need to know to be the best. Hello, how is everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to repair a crack on the side of your toenail with some hard gel. And I'm going to show you a really cool nail design like I have on my fingernails. We're going to do it on our toes. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my polish. Can you believe how far up my nail polish has grown? Yes, I have resorted to clipping my toenails with the nail polish on because I just did not have time to get to them. I did clean up my cuticles like a week ago or so, and today I finally had time to change my polish to match my fingernails. Because we're going to be putting an artificial product on top of the nails, we need to buff the surface of the nails. I'm only going to be doing my big toe. And I'm going to buff off that little dry patch. I'm going to use a non-lint wipe to clean it off because the cotton does get stuck in that little tear. If you've seen my video about the easy at-home pedicure, you'll see my toenail always tears right here, so I've decided to do something about it. So I'm going to use Light Elegance. This is the primer. With this primer, they say to cure it for 30 seconds in an LED light. Then we're going to use our Power Bond. This is just like a gel polish, the consistency is. So be careful not to get any of it on your skin. Cure that for 30 seconds. Use my oval gel brush. This is some self-leveling. The viscosity is really forgiving. I call it self-leveling. I'm going to place it on the toenail. Not all the way to the edge. Just kind of walk it over to the sides. make sure that none of it is touching the skin. So I'm going to take my cuticle pusher, just make sure that that's all clear in there, because I can't really see from here. Before you file, you have to take some alcohol and wipe the tacky layer off the top of the gel. I always feel with my finger first, because you can feel if there's any unevenness, any lumps or bumps. And that feels pretty good, actually. So I'm just going to file the free edge, make sure that stayed smooth. When it heats up in the lamp, sometimes it can slide down the sides of the nail. So I'm just going to make sure that's not touching the skin. That's all connected. I'm just going to buff it. I don't think it really needs to be filed. I only put one really thin coat of gel on it. And I want to blend where I set it right around the cuticle line, so it doesn't look like I have a ledge when I polish. So you'll be able to see any kind of unevenness once the polish goes on. I always try to look for reflections, because you can see little divots and lumps and bumps. All right, I think that's going to be good. All right, so since we have gel on the big toenail, you don't need to put a base coat on, but I am going to need to put a base coat on these toenails. Where did I sit my little square? There it is. Okay. So I'm going to clean off these toenails with some acetone. Oh, getting a cramp. So here I'm just going to use my gelish base coat, because it's a gelish color. I normally don't put gel polish on my toenails, but for this technique that I love so much, you need to have a tacky surface. Now this gelish had a problem for a while. Something was happening to their brushes, and I cannot use this brush. So I'm just trying to save the polish, and I'm just gonna, like, all of the bottom of this bottle is all hard and weird and chunky, but see, ugh, gross. But anyway, I'm gonna use it because I like the color and I can use some of the polish. I don't like to throw anything away. Okay. Flatten out your brush. Scoot it over to the side. Wipe any off your skin right away. I'll get closer to the cuticle on the second coat. If you can't get close to your cuticle, pull the skin away. Okay, this is the fun part. So it's this amazing foil paper, and depending on where you live, I'll put the link. I got it on eBay, so there'll be different links for different countries, and you have to just make sure you have the right side, and you sit it on the nail and pull it off. Isn't that beautiful? It's amazing. And then after you've got that on, then you put your top coat on. Oh, if I can reach it. This is a non-cleansed top coat that I got at the Orlando show, which I love. It's a little bit thick, so you have to be careful. It can slide down into the sidewalls of your nail. Oh, look at that shine. Is that amazing or what? After I've been playing with stuff lately, it's like normal polish is just so boring. And I've gotten so carried away with the color that I totally forgot all about making the point about how you cannot see where that repair is. Looks like I've got a tiny little missing spot of polish right there, but I'll live. If I was smart, I'd make an appointment with my nail tech, but we're both so busy. I'm always resorting to doing my own, and so is she. I want to say thank you to all of my viewers. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. And if you can just leave me a comment and tell me what you thought about the video, and there's a share link near the video title in your browser. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, all kinds of places. So do me a favor and please help me grow my channel and click those links for me today. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to visit my channel. I hope you've chosen to subscribe. Here are some other great videos for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.